Magandang araw mga tol, halika't panoorin natin ang isang video na kung saan ay 3 beses pinabagsak itong si Yukinori Ugone sa kanyang kababayan. At kung paano kinawawa itong si Yukinori Ugone, mga kauyod boxing fanatics. At pagkatapos yung mapanood ang video na ito, magbigay kayo ng sariling opinion at i-comment sa baba dahil itong si Yukinori Ugone ay ito ang makakalaban ng ating pambato ngayong Oktubre. Bukod dito ay magbigay rin tayo ng kaunting highlights kung saan si Yukinori Ugone ay matibay rin pala ito at walang inaatrasan na laban. So kung kanina ay 3 beses si Yukinori Ugone pinabagsak ng kanyang kalaban sa isang round, ay ito naman makita natin na may dugong palaban itong si Yukinori Ugone at handang makipagsabayan. Si Yukinori Ugone pala dito mga idol ay itong naka-red gloves. So ano sa tingin nyo mga kauyod boxing fanatics, kayang-kaya nga ba ni Yukinori Ugone makipagsabayan dito nga sa ating pambato na walang iba kundi itong si Cuadro Alas Casimero?
Oh, Casimero got him. He's got him with a now. He's given hits. He's got him with a body shot. Was it?
No,
Look at him. He's allowing it to continue. But can Casimero take him out here? It happened so quickly. It's 1 minute 20 seconds, and Tete still looks unsteady. He's got to buy some time here and make Casimero miss. Casimero needs to pick his punches, and he can't find the clean collapse to the canvas.
He's not
Down
recovered
for
from the
second
first
time.
shot. He's not recovered from the first knockdown. I'm sure of it.
Referee asking, is he okay? Casimero wants to finish it right here, right now, and finish it he has.
Yo! Cuadro Alas 3-time world champion ng angas ng Pinas, Batang Ormoc, Jonrel Casimero. Guys, kung bago lang kayo sa YouTube channel na to, Uyod Boxing Fanatics, so ano pa hinintay nyo? Mag-subscribe na! Let's go!